Coca-Cola, you knew exactly what you were doing when you created this drink, okay? You knew it. The cherry float and that realm alone. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold you. It is amazing. And that with it being zero sugar, it just blows my mind even more. But in this video, I don't want you to be mad at me, okay? Do not be mad at me. I can already hear your thoughts jumping and screaming. Are you gonna add strawberry sugar to it? Hey, listen, it's not really that deep, okay? I need you to just stick along with me here and hear me out, okay? Now, what I'm gonna be doing here is including 2 tablespoons of strawberry flavor from Harvest in this drink. Listen, and I don't want you to be mad at me for doing that, but I need you to know that 2 tablespoons is equivalent to 1 ounce. Okay, so only 1 ounce of a sugar being added to it. Now I know that the cold foam may have a little bit of stuff in it too, but hey, let's just dial it back a little bit, and I need you to stick with me here because this is going to be great. Okay, the combination of a carbonated zero sugar Coca-Cola with cherry mixed in with strawberry and then adding on some cotton candy flavor. Hey, and I got a little bit messy here, but sometimes you just gotta have fun. You gotta have fun when you're doing these drinks, guys. Now I'm gonna incorporate the cold foam. Now this is the part that a lot of people really don't understand, but you're creating a dirty soda. You gotta, add a different level of elegance to this drink, guys. Look at that. Look how it just presents itself. It kind of just reminds you of another type of coffee type of drink, but it's not. This is a whole different ball game. Okay, whole different ball game. Look how it sits. Look how the cold foam sits on the soda. Yeah, you're gonna fall in love with this drink. Hey, look, hey, get out of here, baby boy. You're gonna fall in love with this drink. This drink, I'm going to have to rate it a 9.8 out of 10 because it's just that solid. It's that solid. Go and do it, and I'm gonna see you in the next episode.